What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. We have a lot to talk about. It is literally the worst day we have had in the stock market since 2020. It's 2022, so almost in 2 years or over 2 years, we haven't had a day this bad. So I hope the sound is not too bad, but we're gonna make it work. So the first thing, I know people want to know, what the hell is going on? Why is the market crashing? And this is exactly what's going on. So first, we already had just a lot of uncertainty with money, with the market, with crypto. And basically, just think of the market was on the edge. And today, with Target earnings reports, and yesterday with Walmart earnings report, that completely pushed it over, and everything just started going down. You have a big sell-off. You have fears of recession. I've been telling people for the longest, it's not when we get in a recession. We are in a recession right now. And people are starting to realize that. And the number one thing that most people are not talking about is margin calls. People always ask me, Lando, especially last year, Lando, can you teach me how to do margins? Can you teach me how to do call options? I never get involved with it for multiple reasons. It is gambling. It is completely gambling in the stock market. Most people gamble in the casinos and lose money. If you want to gamble in the stock market, that's completely where it's at, and you want to lose 10 times, 20 times more money than you'll lose in a casino. So exactly what probably happened is, let's say somebody had a portfolio. Last year, remember when everybody was showing their Robinhood and showing their accounts and their games, right? So let's say you had 100K in your portfolio off of option trading. You was up. With the market doing so bad right now, you're probably down to 15 grand, 20 grand at the most. If you had $1 million in your account, you're probably down 100,000. And people are trying to do a quick flip. They're watching these videos of people that don't know what they're talking about, saying, yo, we have the bottom literally right now. So people looking at it, it's like, hey, if we at the bottom, let me do a margin call. It's saying it's not about to go any lower. Everything is about to go up. I'll be able to make a quick 60 grand or 600,000 or whatever it is. And the market kept on falling, and people are getting liquidated. People are losing money. It's very bad. So please stay away from that. I'm going to talk more about it to my Patreon members. If you're not a Patreon member, click the link in the bio, sign up. It's going to be worth it completely. The CPI report that came out a few weeks ago, it basically let everybody know, look, inflation is going up, and it's going up a lot worse than what everybody expected. Like today, I just realized gas is high everywhere, like literally everywhere. I'm driving to Dallas, Texas, and usually this route, gas is low, everything completely over $4 here. And it was talking about how food going up, really just a whole line of things. And when you think about it, they didn't add in fuel prices and energy. So that is another thing was completely making everything go worse. So action call, my honest opinion, completely wait it out. Completely wait it out. I believe it's going to get worse. Cryptocurrency is also following suit. That's crashing everything down too. And it's really going to be bad. I want to know what's your thoughts of the market going down. When do you think we will see a bottom? Because my thing is, whenever you get what we call a dead cat bounce, I'm trying to help the sound out from the wind. Whenever we get a lot, we want to get a lot of dead cat bounces. What a dead cat bounce is when the market is completely bad, everything going down, and you see a random ass spike and everything go up, and you're like, oh yeah, everything is good, it's cool to come outside, and you go outside and you get hit by a truck, right? So a dead cat bounce is basically everything is down and it bounces up, but it's just literally tricking you. It's still dead. The market is still dead. It's just tricking you. So you have to be aware and knowledgeable about those that I teach you about in the Patreon class. We're gonna get everything kicking June 1st, but you can get signed up now, and I'm starting to get everything going. So I think you will see a lot of those as the market keep on going down, trick people to be able to take a little bit more money. You gotta have a hustle. You gotta have ways to be able to, people buying the dip, and the dip keep on dipping. Everybody's running out of money. But I think this option call and people getting margin is getting a lot worse. So if you haven't done it already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get this thing popping. Back to driving. Talk to you guys later. I'm Lando Success.